Dude, so I got a question for you. Whose idea was it to make 420 on Easter? That kind of seems oxymoronic. Like, I'm a Christian. I love me some God. I love me some Jesus. But, like, that's an oxymoron. Like, I feel like I kind of feel conflicted. Like, should I not smoke, like, on, like, should I, like, take the day off from smoking? Or, but, I mean, 420 is it's a holiday. Like, you know, like, it's our day. But whose bright idea was to put 420, to put Easter on 420? Like, that just doesn't, I don't know. Anyway, your boy is up and at 'em already. It's not even 5 o'clock in the morning. I took the night off last night. Like, I was really, really tired. Like, from, you know, had I worked last night, it would have been 9 days straight, and I was exhausted. Like, I needed the time off. So Lexi and I came up with a plan. Lexi and I came up with a plan of what to do, and give me some, you know, get a few hours of rest. And one thing that I noticed about driving is that you don't have to do 12 hours a day. Like, that's not, hold on, let me rephrase. You don't have to do 12 hours all at once. Like, you don't have to do this long stint all at once, because what you can do is, there's a morning rush, there's a lunch rush, and there's a dinner rush. And if you get up and you work all 3 rushes, then you might be good. Because like, if you think about it, really, that's where you make your money anyway, doing the rushes. Because when it's not a rush, like, those orders ain't hitting like that. You know, they're not, you know, you're talking about like $7-8 orders. But doing the rushes, that's when you can see a $15 or $20 and stuff like that. So it benefits you to do the rush, and there's a lot of people ordering during those times. So I'm thinking, like, if I get up in the morning and do the morning rush until Lexi has to come back to work, and until Lexi got to go to work, come home, rest, do the lunch rush, or do the lunch rush, or wait till the dinner rush and continue from there. But so that way you're not working 12 hours straight, right? Like, who the hell wants to do that? We're sitting in the car. Like, I didn't, like, it was okay the other day when I did it, but, you know, Friday morning when I got back to the hotel, like, I was like, last thing I want to do is sit in the damn car again. You know what I mean? Like, so I was like, I drove all the way to Boca, and this order is back in Deerfield.
Turn left on Northeast 49th Street.
And this order is all the way back in Deerfield. That's why I don't understand why they put so much emphasis on your zone, because I wanted to drive in Boca, and here you are bringing me back to Deerfield, because this is where the order came through. But, you know, so I have to make $90 by 11 o'clock, which I think I can do. And, like, this was a $10 order, so, which I need to mark it on my phone so I can keep track. But this was a $10 order for 8 miles. Not the best, but, you know, it's better than just sitting there. You know, like, early in the morning, I've learned, like, early in the morning, at least in my experience so far, like, late at night, early in the morning, you have to take those less than ideal orders, because, you know, if you don't, then, and I'm not saying that bad orders, $10 for 8 miles, like, that's not the best, but it's still above, you know, still on top. You know, I'm getting paid more dollars than I am driving miles, so it's not the end of the world, but it could be better. But what are you gonna do? Not every order is gonna be perfect. Not every order is gonna be, you know, what they call a unicorn. Like, whoa, holy shit. Not every order is gonna be like that. So I do the the best. You know, you make the best of it and do what you can do. You know what I mean? My watch. I look at my watch to make sure that I'm still recording.
In a half-mile turn left on Northeast 49th
Sometimes
Street
my watch
using the left
just
lane.
like shuts down. Not shuts down, but locks. And then when I look, I'm like, I can't see. So this is a McDonald's we're headed to. So and then the delivery is somewhere here in Deerfield. There it goes. All right, hopefully
Turn left on Northeast 49th
they'll be nice
Street.
enough. So let me get some water and some ice because your boy is thirsty. I wonder if the lobby's open. Let's see. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna pick up this order, and I'm gonna keep you.
Turn right on North Federal Highway, then turn right on Northeast 49th Street.
I just did that, GPS. You said, GPS said turn here. Looking. And I turned. I don't know what time the lobby opens, but I hate picking up at McDonald's because McDonald's are like on their own. Everywhere I pick up, everybody does it a certain way, and then McDonald's has like their own way. Good morning. Is the lobby open? Okay. Not till 6? Okay, but you guys are open though, right? Because I have an order to pick up.
Yeah, they're fixing pickup orders if it's Uber or DoorDash.
Okay. Thank you. Have a great one. So let's see. Get my bag ready. So the lobbies don't open till 6.
Hello?
Hello, Uber for Eric?
Yeah, Uber, you just pull to the second window left.
Alright. See what I'm saying? Like, they're like, just do this. But, you know, some people are like, no, dude, you got to tell us through the intercom what you want.
Yeah, somebody was here to pick it up, but she got mad at waiting, and then she just left. So
Oh, really?
maybe somebody else will come get it.
Alright, thank you. So, did you hear that? Somebody else was supposed to come get this. She was waiting and then got mad.
Head to your drop-off at Fairfield Inn and Suites
But that-
Fairfield Beach, Boca Raton.
But, like, that's the
Turn
thing.
right on North Federal
That's the
Highway.
thing, though. Like, sometimes you get these orders, and then, like, they're like, oh, it's not going to be ready for 20 minutes. And you're like, bro, like,
Turn left on East Hillsborough Boulevard.
you're like, I got to sit here for 20 minutes? Like, waiting for this? Like, why did I get the order now if this shit's not going to be done for 20 minutes? And that's frustrating. And think about it, like, if you think about it, like, you feel like it's, I work, you know, the more I keep moving, the more money I make, you know, so anytime I'm sitting and being stagnant, I'm not making any money, and that, you know, that costs money. So the idea is to keep moving. So when you get to a restaurant and they're like, bro, like, it ain't finna be done for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and, you know, and then the shit is that they penalize you for, like, you cancel, like that shit goes against you, you know what I mean? They're like, it's like, And like, dude, so what do you want me to do? Sit here for 20, 25 minutes? Like, I was at a McDonald's yesterday, and the dude, there was another driver there while I was at the drive-thru window, and he was pissed because he was like, dude, I've been here for 45 minutes. You know, and that shit sucks. And you're like, damn, dude. Like, I was like, damn, dude, why'd you wait that long? But you don't, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes, like, I've waited 20 minutes for a good order, like $20+, and you're like, dude, if I cancel it, I don't get this $20. So I sit and wait personally so I can get the 20. I mean, if you're gonna wait anyway, right? Like, then you might as well get the 20. Like,
New message from Eric B. Can you bring to 316? I will add more tip.
he says 316. Can he bring the 316?
In a half-mile, turn left on East Hillsborough Boulevard.
Like, that's the apartment number. Oh, he's in a hotel. Ah, this is a hotel. Okay. Alright. He said he'd give me extra tip if I bring it to the other room. Like, I don't know what you doing, person. So, alright, like, I'm rambling, and I'm sure you don't want to just see me here sitting here bullshitting. So I just want to say happy gig work day, baby. It's early in the morning. It's 5 in the morning. Let's have a great day. I love you. And high five and fist bump to you, baby. Have a great one. And I catch you out there. Peace.